version, the subtract command was only available for the frame environment, as long as the frame was part of the assembly. But now the subtract command is available for the entire assembly. So that's one enhancement made with respect to the subtract. And then, so first one, the swept cutout command. So the workflow to create a swept cutout is still going to be the same that you use in a part environment. You select your sketches, your cross section, and the path from which you want to create the cut. So you have the option to select a single cross section, multiple cross section, and so on. And then we have the slot feature. So inside slot feature, it's still again the same environment, same workflow as you do for the part environment. You have your sketch, and then you select the path from which you want to create a sketch. So let's take a look at these commands in action here. Go back to SolidWorks. So here I have an assembly. So inside this assembly, as you can see, if you come to the features, you have all these features here: the swept cutout and the unit command. So let's go to the first one, that is the swept cutout. So as you can see, you get this option where you can select a single path or multiple path. So let's do multiple for this one thing.